Hi, it's Ashwin here. I have made an animation called walk. So what that means it's going up, left, right, and down. So if you can see it's just standing. So I started the program and it's still standing, and this orange thing is showing in the middle. So when it goes up, it's showing up, and if you saw, it is doing a little animation. Now I'll go down. It's doing the same animation, but it's forward. Now I'll go left. So it's not doing the same animation. It's a different animation this way. So now I'll go right. It's the same animation, but it's just flipped over, and same as the other ones, flipped over and flipped over. So I'll show you the code. So this is the animation, and this is the walking way. So when green flag click, that is on the start. Switch costume to front stand. That is this way. Go to X position 0, Y position 0. So that means in the middle. By the way, X position is the up and down. Y position is the left and right. Or maybe it's the opposite. So this is a forever loop that makes it go forever. If you can see, there's a loop. There's a loop that means to go up again. So there's a if then statement. If key, right arrow, press, then set direction to right. So direction, that is the variable. So what variables do, it takes care of one thing. So what this takes care of is this. So the set direction to right variable, just direction variable, shows are you going up, down, are you in the middle? But when it only starts, it'll show if you're in the middle. When you go up and then come back to the middle, it won't just show middle, it'll just show down. So let's move on. Change X by 4. So this makes it go up or down. I don't know. But check. Right. Okay, it makes it go right. So change X by 4. Change X by positive 4 makes it go right. And then another if then loop that is just like this, but it's left arrow. So set direction to left, that is changing the variable to left, and change X by negative 4. So what that does is just switching this to the negative side. So I'm going to do left, so switching the other way. So we're going to go on to the Y position. So if key up, arrow press, then it's just like all two loops here. So, but it's in the up arrow. So, set direction up, just like the other ones. So what that does is just setting the direction up. Wait, let me set the direction up. So I'll do that. So then change Y by 4. So the Y position is the up and down. Change Y by 4. And then the same thing as this loop, but it's down. So set direction to down. So if you see at the variable, it's going down. I'm clicking down button, and then it's going down. And then change Y by negative 4. It's just the same thing, but in the negative way. So then I'm going to go ahead and go here. So this is the animation. So I'll just show you the costumes I have done. So front stand, so it's made out of pixels, so yeah. Front stand. And if you wanna make a animation, then you have to put them right in the area they are all in. So I put it all in the right area. If it changes, then the animation won't look right. So it says front stand, front walk 1, and then front walk 2, then left stand, left walk 1, left walk 2, right stand, right walk 1, right walk 2, and back stand, back walk 1, back walk 2. So let's head over back there. Now, so that is all here, but in order. So when green flag clicks, stop all sounds. What the sounds bar does, it just stops all the sounds when it starts. So I haven't added sounds yet because there became bugs and other stuff in there. So if then direction equals to right, and then another if then loop. If then key right arrow pressed, then switch costume to right walk 2. So what does switch costume to right walk 2 do? So what that does is just switching the costume to, if you saw right walk 2, and then wait 0.1 second, that makes it just wait a few seconds, and then switch costume to right stand, that is the stand, this stand, and then the weight amount here, and then switch costume to right walk 1, that is just the same as this. Right walk 1. Right walk 1. Right walk 1. Also, there's a else loop that is also connected to the if then. So what the else does, that is just if you don't click the right arrow, then if right arrow not clicked, then just stop all sounds, switch costume to right stand. Now that is just with the left arrow, and it has all those stuff, but then it is not the same as this. The costumes aren't same. So it's just the same, and then the same here. And then there's if then and if else. And then here, this is where it changes. So it's just the same thing, but if you see here, there's no switch costume to back stand and then another wait 0.1 seconds. Why? Because I did the animation, and then I thought it would be nice to add the left stand, but it won't be nice to add the back stand. So that is just right here, like this, just like that, but it's front walk, and yeah. So why I did back walk for up arrow and then down arrow for front walk? Why is that? When you look at it, if people walk up, then it will kind of look like they're walking backwards. If people walk down, then it looks like they walk down they walk forward. So I'll do that again. So I did the up arrow, and then it looks like that. Down arrow, it looks like that. So it kind of looks like that. And that's it. So I'll see you on my next video.